about 2 hours into our trip, and we are coming up on Marco Island right now. These are all the condos on the beach. People are sitting having their coffee, looking out the window saying, "Look at that sailboat go by. I wish I was on it." Mark just told me we're doing about 7 knots. Island packet 320. Who says island packets are slow? The wind's still blowing about 14, 15 knots, creeping up the temperature to about 78 right now. Still a little chilly for us South Florida people. We have about 5 hours to get to Anchorage at Pavilion, and at about 3:30 the forecast is the wind to drop under 10 knots. It'll be beautiful for anchoring. We're about half an hour out of Pavilion Key. We've been traveling approximately 5.5 hours today. Beautiful day. Wind's picking back up a little bit, right on the nose, so we can't sail obviously. I don't know if you can make it out the island, but it's just a little dot out there. We're about 3 miles out in 13 feet of water, and we're coming up on the 9-foot spot shortly, which will carry us right into Pavilion Key. Should be about another 10-15 minutes. We'll be up and getting the anchor down, and our speed today, we've averaged way over 6 knots, so we thought we'd be here in 7 hours, and we're cutting almost an hour off our time today. So of course we're just motor sailing because the wind's right on the nose, but doing really well. Sunrise over Pavilion Key. It's just beautiful. Still blowing a lot more than they said it would. It's typical. It's blowing at least 10 right now. Water's really choppy. It feels like it is coming from the north. And it should be a sleigh ride down to the Keys. Here we are entering Cudjoe Channel on our way to one of our favorite anchorages for the night, Tarpon Belly. The wind is blowing out of the east-northeast at about 15 knots, and we're traveling at 7.8 knots with the current under power. Tarpon Belly is a very good anchorage for a number of reasons. One, the holding is very good here.
It's convenient for us because we travel to Naples and Southwest Florida quite a bit, so it's a great jumping off spot to cross Florida Bay. It's easy in, easy out. It does have a beach. It's a little bit rocky, but I need to take my dog Emily ashore every day, and she seems to like it. I will be doing a future episode on Tarpon Belly covering the history, where to anchor, and various other things, so be sure to look for it. You won't want to miss it. Here's our passage from Tarpon Belly to Key West. It was a sporty day. It was blowing over 20 from the north-northwest, which built the Gulf of Mexico up to about 5-foot seas. It stirred up what fuel we had in our fuel tank and clogged up all our ray cores and just had a messy day. Base, our home port, Sunset Marina. The green top buildings here are the condos, and here are all the slips. We should be tied up at the dock in about 10 minutes.